Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is Blind Stick Part 3 Stick Detection and Staircase Detection. So, total 3 parts. First part is tracking part, second part is sensor part, and third part is stick detection and staircase. Two parts are already explained, and third part. So, staircase with stick detect. So, stick detection using RF 434 MHz frequency transmitter and RF 434 MHz receiver module. So, let us coming into the block diagram. So, Arduino Uno R3, APR 33A3 speaker, S212D decoder, RF receiver, one alarm. Staircase detection purpose we are using two ultrasonic sensors, ultrasonic sensor 1 and sensor 2. Let's come with the transmitter unit. We are using HT12E and one switch button, 9 volts battery, RF transmitter. 5 meter distance we can detect the stick. So let's come with the hardware module. Part 3, RF 434 MHz receiver module, HT12D RF receiver module, Arduino Uno R3 board, and 9 volts battery, alarm, ultrasonic sensor 1 and sensor 2. Staircase detection. First it will detect the nearest and it will detect the far. Maximum distance it can cover with the 10 centimeter below and 30 centimeter below. Like that it can detect. So ST12E encoder with RF transmitter and one battery. So let's start with the power supply. Okay. So now if we want to detect the RF module, then sensor is on. So alarm. Okay. So if RF transmitter, so blind person forgot the stick where it is. If they press the switch button, then it will tell you here I am. Okay. So RF transmitter, RF receiver. Now let's start with the here also. So if we detect, okay, RF transmitter, RF receiver, staircase detected. Okay. Yeah, here we are using HCSR04 ultrasonic sensors, ultrasonic sensor 1 and sensor 2, and Arduino Uno R3 board, RF receiver, 434 MHz frequency, 5 meter distance, two 9 volts batteries. Okay, so switch off. So these two staircase and RF transmitter and RF receiver. So must ensure the green orange light should be on. If we remove this the pairing should be disconnected. So if we insert the power supply, the pairing should be contacted. If we give, alarm should be on, then it should be stop. Then staircase, so it will give you the voice. If the voice means must and should, it should be on, then you can get the staircase detected. So total 3 parts I explained individually. So you can go for 3 at a time also. So you can go 3 at a time. So sensor part, tracking, staircase part, sensor part, and tracking part. So part 1, part 2, part 3 successfully completed. Thank you.